What's up, guys? Welcome to another YouTube video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, and turn on your notifications. And just so you know, soon, not right now, but soon, I'm going to change my YouTube channel name from Jose Junior Vids to YFG_Jose. Alright, so now let's get to it. We're going to make coquito, a Puerto Rican drink. And first, we're going to use 1 cup of almonds. And it doesn't matter the order you put. It doesn't matter the order you put them in. So basically, we have the almonds, and we have sweetened condensed milk.
Yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy. That's really good. Let's go now. Fancy, fancy.
Alright, now we're going to put cream of coconut.
Wow. Yummy, yummy. Yes, it would, mommy. Mommy, yes, it would. Mommy, yes, it would. Mommy, yes, it would. Mommy, mommy, yes, it would.
Alright, so now we're going to be putting evaporated milk, vitamin D added.
Uh-oh, turn that right. Let's really go for that. Fancy. Fancy. Go down.
And then next, we're going to put coconut milk. Let's just say cocoa. And then right after, you put the top on top of the blender. And then you're done. You just have to stir it up and boom. I hope y'all like this video. Please subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on your notifications. I'll see y'all next time.